Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, let's see what is there for my Aquarians in the middle of October, please. Yeah, Four of Swords, a lot of thinking going on. Might be in depression, might be, but a lot of thinking at least. Okay, let's see what is there for my Aquarius over here. Angel, spirits and guides, please guide me for my Aquarians. Are you holding on, still holding on from something like or someone? Because this is a love reading which I'm doing and you are still holding on to a person. Things are really just not balanced, what I'm seeing. Okay, let's see. At the back of the deck we have 10 of Pentacles and the Empress. So it's like you are over here. I'm getting that, you know, your energies are really from inside. You are really feeling that this is your inner energies. You want a family with someone. This is what I'm getting. And the person with whom you are dealing with might be growing from inside, but this is a negative card as well sometimes. Let's see what it is, what they are feeling and how they are reacting. Okay. All right, so for my Aquarius, see Aquarius, I'm seeing that, you know, there's some kind of moving away situation over here, but I'm really getting that, you know, it's you who has moved away now, because you have been waiting for someone from a long time and now it's time for you to move on. Either you are moving on or it's an indication to move on, or you have already moved on, because you felt that, you know, you were being sabotaged, or you were being in a cage. You were feeling that kind of a fear, you know, when you are with someone who is not giving you that respect, who is not giving you that love the way you want. And that is what I'm seeing. They might be from outside, they might be showing that, you know, they are happy, they are like you know, I'm really getting Aquarius, that you might be dealing with somebody who is married over here, or somebody who is like, you know, they are happy to not be with you because they are growing. I'm seeing that there is something else in their life. That is what I'm getting over here. It's not you, because the ending, they have already ended this relationship. From their part, they have ended, they have moved on, they are like growing within, they are growing and they're being happy with someone else. I'm really getting that, you know. See, you walking away from their lives is making them happy. That is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, it is a new beginning for them. They are into something else. So I don't know what it is, because they were ending this relationship the way, see, you wanted it like anything. You wanted this relationship like anything, but you know, sometimes you don't want to walk away, but still you walk away. So that is what it is coming. And it's like they are into, you know, they are being the Page of Pentacles over here. Since they are sincere, might be dealing with a Capricorn or Virgo or Taurus over here. So but it is like that, you know, when they are being silent and they do not want to deal with it anymore, because they are being that, you know, they're the stubborn kind of a thing. They are showing their stubbornness. They do not want to deal with the situation anymore. they're happy go lucky kind of a people, and that is why they are like moving away. They are not into this. Their energies are really not with you anymore. I'm seeing Aquarius. Okay, your outcome is future energies, Page of Swords with the Six of Swords. So it's like you are communicating again and again. You are the one who is talking. You are the one who is like, you know, you want to communicate, you want to talk to this person, but for them it's like it's over. Okay, they are moving towards calmer waters. They do not want to deal with the situation anymore. They do not want to just see, I'm really getting, see, it's in the middle of the reading, and Eight of Cups with the Four of Wands. It's really giving me that feeling that they do not want it. They are happy not being with you. So it really hurts. I know that, you know, I hear you, Aquarius, but it's over for them. They are into something else. They cannot be manipulated. So the advice for you over here with the Sun and the Two of Swords, it's like, you know, you want to communicate with them, no problem, go ahead, communicate, but it's like they are not going to be manipulated anymore. They are not going to listen to anyone anymore, and they are ready to see it as an ending. So it's not up to you, it's up to them whether they want you or not. So no matter how much you want it, but it's a no from their side. It's really very stubborn energy from their side, because we have got the Empress and the Page of Pentacles, Taurus energies. So I'm really getting that vibe over here that, you know, they do not want to deal with the situation anymore. The High Priestess and the Four of Pentacles. See how much you are holding on to this person. You are holding on, you are still, you know, that stubborn energy is in both the sides. You are also not letting go of this person, and they are also stubborn, that they do not want to come back. And no matter how much you make them feel, okay, but they are not coming back. That is what I'm seeing. King of Wands with the Three of Swords. It's that playboy energy, like, you know, that they are done with it, that they were happy being with you. You know, you both enjoyed a time together. You might be married to this person, but it's not from their side anymore. It's not like, I'm not seeing any good signs from their side. It's like, I'm over with you, I'm over and done. I do not want to continue this relationship anymore. So no matter how much you want it, it's done. The process is complete from their side. You are ready to give them more love with the Six of Pentacles, but it's the end from them, from their side. Yeah, see, you are crying, you are feeling that you know, that this person might come back. You are feeling incomplete without them. That is what you are feeling. You are incomplete. You really want that person back, but they are busy doing something else. They are busy in their work, they are busy in other relationships, they are busy somewhere else. That is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, it's time to move on, Aquarius. That is what it is coming for you over here. It's time to move on. It's time to explore new options. It's time to see something else. It's time for the ending to happen. Okay, so the ending is here. I'm seeing it's a new beginning for yourself now. It's the time for self-love now. It's time for you to progress in life. Okay, whatever you are doing, whatever you are, just move on in your life. Do good to yourself. That is the self-love. Self-worth is nothing. Okay, it's like, it's more than anything. That is what it is. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aquarius. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.